Alright, here we go again at Tati. About to get old Terry on this little prank. Fake sneeze prank. But it's really gonna be hand sanitizer.
What did you do today?
I drove my bike.
Drove your bike again? You still didn't get caught in the rain, man?
Nah, not yet. I mean, under the weather, man.
No limit, right? Man, you be going down that shady side a lot with your bike?
Shady what?
Shady side, in Boiling Spring.
I don't know where that is.
A lot of time, last time Rough Rider and them, all of them was down there.
To my dad? Yep.
No, that's No Limit. I'm talking about Rough Rider. Man, have you ever been to Boiling Spring, Shady Side? Where they take their bikes and cars and stuff and they go race?
It sounds familiar though.
Last time, Rough Riders and all of them was there, man. Hey, man! What the fuck? Oh, man, you got that.